Warning: our YouTube channel and its videos may contain scenes, language, and content that may not be appropriate for all audiences. These videos include surveillance footage, undercover pursuit of suspects, actual police and rescue operations, and fearless confrontations. If you do not approve of the content, please do not watch our videos. If you wish to continue, we strongly advise that you proceed with caution. Viewers' discretion is advised.
Ben Tulfo Unfiltered.
Isa sa mga problema dito sa bansa ho natin, mga Pinoy, etong nawawalang tiwala, nalalagas tulad ng pagkalagas sa buhok ni Pinoy na naging panot. So ang tiwala, ang hirap ho talaga makamtan. At ito hong tiwala, dala-dala ho yan ng respeto. Hindi ho pinagkakalooban tiwala. Inuulit ko pa ulit-ulit. Yan ho'y nakakamtan. Kamtan ang tiwala kapag ikay binigyan ng posisyon tulad nitong pagiging secretary ng DILG. Kinakailang kamtan mo yan. You got to earn it. It's not going to be given to you. And so the president, made a sample. And it starts now, and there is another one coming up. I can't wait for it. So, the president has done a due diligence by doing his homework. Talagang pinag-isipan ho to. Hindi ho to karakarakang ginawa ng Pangulo natin. Akala ninyo, ganun na lang. Hindi ho karakaraka ang presidente ho natin. Basta na lang sisibak ng kanyang gabinete. Nalapit pa naman sa kanya. Kung wala ho siyang nakita at wala ho siyang basihan, dati prosecutor ho to, tinitingnan ho yung mga ebidensya, tinitingnan ho yung mga bagay na magiging batayan ng kanyang desisyon kung sisibakin or mananatili sa pwesto. Well, the president has done his due diligence by doing his homework, and the move is to restore trust in the government. To restore trust in the government. So it's about time. What the president wants is to erase the people's mind, corruption that can be addressed quickly. And he did address it quickly. So now, erasing that corruption means you must earn the trust, respect for the institution. And that's what the president wants. So, he moved quickly, elegantly, in the middle of the cabinet meeting. Alam niyo ho kasi, palagitnaan ho ng sinasabi ho nating pagpupulong ho nila or cabinet meeting sa Malacanang, marami ho nagulat ng mga gabinete ang ginawa ho ng Pangulo right then and there. Say, "You're fired!" At yung pobreng saswenyo, hinabol pa ang Pangulo para sabihin, "Mr. President, pwede ba tayo mag-usap? There's nothing to talk about." Medyo irritable ho ang Pangulo. So yun hong ganong klaseng situations nakita ho kay Pangulo for the first time sa cabinet meeting. Lahat ho ng mga kabinete nagulat ho eh. Can you blame the president? I don't think so. It's about time. So, kaya ho natin sinasabi ito mga bossing. Kasi nawala na hong iba. Yung ibang mga kababayan ho natin, nasanay na ho sila doon ho sa sistema na kung saan tinatanggap na lang ho. Anong tinatanggap? Tinatanggap ho yung sinasabing kultura at kalakaran. Ano ho yung kultura at kalakaran? Yun hong kultura at kalakaran na kung saan yun hong katiwalian or corruption, nandyan na yan eh. So, ano hong ginawa ng Pangulo? Sinubukan niya na ho yan. Parang ito hong dating sa tao. Para sa taong bayan, ang mensahe ng Pangulo, hindi ito pwede maging kultura sa atin, hindi ito realidad sa gobyerno niya, kasi ito'y malaking hamon, kaya kung malaking hamon to, kinakailangan mag-sample. So, ang ginawa ng Pangulo, ipinakita ho sa tao na ito'y manumbalik ang sinasabing tiwala. The president's move is to empower the Filipino people by restoring trust in his government, and that his government can be trusted. listen carefully. Hey, Filipinos overseas. There's going to be a lot of things coming up after the Holy Week, but listen carefully. The move by the president is to restore trust and confidence in his government, and that the move of firing every cabinet members who will be involved in corruption, you better watch out, all of you. The president knows exactly the word due diligence. He understands the meaning of field interview and field intelligence. He understands the meaning of, evidence. So watch carefully.
Ben Tulfo Unfiltered.